Intro every year, more than 3 million tons of sardines are caught and quickly turned into billions of cans that end up on supermarket shelves around the world. But in just a few short hours, what actually happens to transform fish fresh from the ocean into safe, delicious food that can be stored for years? Behind that journey is an entire modern industrial production line with machines working non-stop. In today's video, let's explore the full process of producing canned sardines. And if you enjoy large-scale manufacturing processes, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share in the comments where you're watching from. Introduction to canned sardines. Sardines are small, silver-scaled saltwater fish that inhabit temperate and tropical oceans around the world, often migrating in large schools. Affordable and nutritious, they are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality protein, calcium, and many other essential nutrients. Thanks to their rich flavor, convenience, and long shelf life, canned sardines have become a staple in millions of households worldwide. However, the production process of those small cans of sardines we commonly buy at supermarkets is far more complex than it appears. Behind each can is a tightly controlled production process, beginning while the sardines are still swimming in the ocean. And as you'll soon discover, the scale of this global industry is far more impressive than most people imagine. The scale of the sardine industry, few people realize that behind one small can of sardines is an enormous industry operating day and night. Every year, more than 3 million tons of sardines are caught worldwide. And from this raw material, billions of cans are produced to serve meals for millions of families. Some massive factories turn out more than 2 million cans a day, where thousands of workers and entire systems of machinery work together almost non-stop in a race against time. Because the fresher the fish are, the higher the quality of the finished product. But it all truly begins when fishing vessels head out into the open sea in search of huge schools of sardines. The sardine fishing process. As the sun begins to set, fishing vessels leave the harbor one after another, heading toward offshore waters where schools of sardines start rising closer to the surface to feed. Rather than casting their nets at random, the crew skillfully maneuver their boats around the entire school, deploying a massive purse-seine net to surround the fish. In just a matter of minutes, dozens of tons of sardines can be gathered inside the net. It is the defining moment of the entire fishing trip, because speed and precision have a direct impact on the quality of every single can of sardines produced later. But how do fishermen locate these enormous schools of fish in the vast open ocean? The answer lies in the advanced technologies you'll see next. Technology for locating sardine schools across an ocean that stretches for thousands of square kilometers. Finding a single school of sardines is like searching for a needle in a haystack. In the past, fishermen relied on signs such as flocks of seabirds or subtle ripples on the water's surface to guess where the fish might be. Today, however, everything has changed. Modern fishing vessels are equipped with advanced sonar and radar systems that send sound pulses deep into the water and analyze the returning signals to pinpoint the exact location, depth, and density of entire schools of sardines. Thanks to this technology, every catch is far more efficient. And the moment the fish are brought aboard, the race to preserve their freshness officially begins. Preservation after the catch. The moment sardines leave the water, the clock begins ticking. Even a slight rise in temperature or a delay in proper handling can quickly reduce the quality of the fish. That is why the crew immediately transfers the catch into tanks filled with chilled seawater or covers it with ice to keep it at the ideal temperature. From there, the vessels speed back to port, where refrigerated trucks are already waiting. Every step is carried out with a sense of urgency to ensure the sardines arrive at the processing plant as fresh as the moment they were caught. And as soon as the factory gates open, a high-speed production line swings into action. Receiving the fish at the processing plant, just a few hours after being caught, fresh sardines arrive at the processing plant. There is no time to waste because the freshness of the fish is one of the most critical factors determining the quality of the final product. As soon as the refrigerated trucks arrive, the sardines are quickly pumped or transferred into ice water tanks, where the temperature is maintained at around 5 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit. To slow bacterial growth and preserve the firm texture of the flesh, every step is carefully timed, turning the entire operation into a race against the clock. Once the fish pass the quality inspection, they immediately move on to the processing line, where their heads and internal organs are removed at an astonishing speed. Cleaning and preparing the sardines. As the sardines enter the preparation area, thousands of fish move continuously along the conveyor belts like an endless stream. Here, the automatic fish nobbing machine takes over. Each sardine is precisely aligned in specially designed slots, allowing the machine to remove the head and tail while thoroughly cleaning out the body cavity. All in the blink of an eye. On some premium production lines, skilled workers then carry out a final manual inspection and finishing process to ensure each fish maintains its natural shape and an attractive appearance. Every step is performed with exceptional care and precision, preparing the sardines for the next critical stage of the production process. Brinning and rinsing the sardines after being cleaned. The sardines are not cooked immediately. Instead, they undergo a crucial brinning process, soaking in a saltwater solution for about 30 minutes. Although it may seem like a simple step, it plays a vital role in the production process. The brine helps firm up the texture of the fish, enhances its flavor, and removes any remaining natural impurities to ensure a clean, delicate taste. Once the soaking time is complete, the sardines are carefully arranged on metal racks at a precise angle before being thoroughly rinsed to wash away any excess salt from the surface. Only after achieving the perfect balance of flavor and texture are the sardines ready to move on to the next stage, cooking in a modern industrial steam oven system. Sardine cooking methods at the most important stage. The sardines begin the cooking process that gives them their distinctive flavor. Many factories use industrial steam ovens at temperatures of around 100 to 120 degrees Celsius for 10 to 20 minutes, allowing the fish to cook evenly while still retaining its tenderness, moisture, and nutritional value. Some modern production lines place the raw fish directly into cans with oil, brine, or tomato sauce before cooking it during high-pressure sterilization. Another method involves turning the cans upside down during steaming so that excess fat and water can drain away naturally, resulting in a firmer and more flavorful finished product. And as soon as the fish reaches the perfect level of doneness, the journey continues with the canning stage and the addition of delicious sauces. Canning and adding the sauce once the sardines have been cooked. They are carefully arranged inside each can with remarkable precision to ensure both an attractive presentation and the correct fill weight. Next, preserving liquids such as vegetable oil, olive oil, brine, or tomato sauce are added according to each manufacturer's proprietary recipe. These liquids do more than enhance the sardines with a richer flavor and a tender, juicy texture. They also play a vital role in extending the product's shelf life. Even the slightest variation in the amount of oil or sauce can affect the final taste. Once every can has been filled to perfection, it is immediately transferred to the sealing and sterilization stage to ensure complete food safety. Sealing and sterilizing the cans at this stage. The top priority is no longer flavor. It is the safety of every single can of sardines. The filled cans are fed into a high-speed rotary consumer, where a series of precision rollers tightly press and fold the lid onto the can body using double seam technology. This creates a perfectly airtight seal, locking in freshness while eliminating any pathway for outside air to enter. The cans are then cleaned on the outside before being transferred into massive industrial pressure retorts. Inside, they are sterilized with pressurized steam at temperatures of around 130 degrees Celsius, 266 degrees Fahrenheit, creating a completely sterile environment that destroys microorganisms capable of causing spoilage. This rigorous preservation process allows the sardines to retain their flavor and nutritional value for years, without the need for artificial preservatives. And before they ever reach store shelves, every can must pass a series of exceptionally strict final quality inspections. The nutritional value of sardines after undergoing such a carefully controlled production process. What remains inside every can of sardines is far more than just convenience. It is a remarkably nutritious food. These small fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids that support heart and brain health, while also providing high-quality protein to help build and maintain muscle. In addition, sardines are an excellent source of calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D, all of which play an essential role in maintaining strong bones and supporting a healthy immune system. Perhaps that is why canned sardines have remained a trusted pantry staple in millions of households around the world for decades. Outrow from schools of sardines, swimming freely through the open ocean, to neatly packed cans found on supermarket shelves around the world. Every step is the result of a modern production process built on precision, efficiency, and strict quality control. If you enjoyed following this incredible journey, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which manufacturing process you'd like to see us explore next. Now, click on the video appearing on your screen to discover another fascinating large-scale industrial production line. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.